And
And
we
we
are
are live!
live!
Buhay, buhay, buhay na naman tayo dyan sa mga business owners and digital business owners dyan. And another day, another blessing, and always remember, God is good
All the time.
and all the time.
God is good.
Good, yes.
Yes.
Naimbag nga bigat, malem, rabi iyo manen na apo kakabsat dita. Nyaman nga lugar, ti pakabuybuyaan nyo kanyami. Salamat, salamat manen, ti panagbuya kanyami manen. And ano pa ba?
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you may be. It's afternoon here in Northern California. Time check right now. It's 4:38 in the afternoon.
Mhm.
It's Saturday, September 21. Happy Saturday to those who are here in the U.S.
Happy weekend. Enjoy your
Yes.
Saturday morning.
Yes, happy weekend.
Morning,
Anong morning?
evening. Yeah, enjoy your Saturday morning, evening, afternoon. Do a
I
barbecue.
see.
Maganda ngayon.
Yeah.
Hindi for the
It's not
past few days hindi gloomy ngayon.
Yes, it's a nice weather here in our area right now.
Mhm.
It's nice to be just outside too. So, anyway, thank you for those who've been watching, following us for the past several days or for 25 days now. We are on our day 25 today. So, anyway, for those who've been watching us, thank you so much for your support
Wow, day
and
25.
for your following us. Hopefully,
75
with those
more.
past
And more.
videos, we were able to encourage, inspire you
Yes.
as what we've been uh, aiming for, or that's what we're hoping to do every time we go and do this live.
Yes.
Um,
And again, this is Ken.
and I'm Zap.
And we are
Proud
proud
digital
digital
business
business owners.
owners. Yeah.
And our topic for today, Mommy, is
Okay.
what is gonna be our exciting topic today?
Okay, it says, so day 25, we're on day 25, our 90-day success challenge. It
Mhm.
says, embrace the learning curve.
Oh, embrace the learning
Medyo,
curve.
medyo nahirapan ako.
Kaya before you embrace that learning curve, go to our website at www.genosapp.com and put your name and register your email. Email lang po ang kailangan namin so that our automated system will send you more details about us.
Email lang po ang kailangan namin so that our automated...
And then, ito, nagugulan ako tayo. Ano ang
Sorry
mga
po.
pinaggagawa mo? Yun, and then, and hopefully, before whoever's watching right now, future business partner or business partner, hope that you could resonate with us or we could tackle some topics and inspire you and encourage you for today again.
Yes,
And
yes.
so, learning curve.
Yeah.
Ano yan? I-embrace mo
Hi
daw
to
yung learning curve.
hi to 4 million viewers right now.
Hello. Oh, Vice. Up, up, up. Sabi ni Vice. Hello. Hello. Kailan ka kaya papasok? Vice. Up, up, up daw.
Come on up. Join us.
Mhm.
But anyway, yeah, embrace the learning curve. To be honest, it took medyo nahirapan akong
Hello, Kuya Ben.
isipin what
Thank you for
what to
watching.
say about the learning curve. Ay, Manong Ben. Hello po. Good afternoon. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
So, learning curve. Well, kasi learning curve, if I or hearing about learning curve, ang unang napunta sa mind ko, and even if you search it, it's like yung natutunan natin sa math. It's the graph, right? That curve. But then knowing that it is about learning, so it is your curve, the curve, yung parang graph, yung journey mo about learning. So, kasi visual learner po ako, so I'm trying to kind of visualize it. But then, okay, so topic is embrace the learning curve. Kasi, in our digital business, and we've been mentioning this the past several days now, that when you get into something, or even here in our digital business, you go through there's a journey. It is a journey, right? You go through, and in any business, it's not always gonna be straight up. There's gonna be
Up and down.
up and down, like a roller coaster, they said, right?
Up
Because
and down battle.
yes, you most of the time you start from the low, right? Because you just started. You're just, and you're about to learn something new, you're gonna learn something new every time. So in reality, your curve when you learn something new, or when you get to something like the business. It's all about the business. You
Mm-hmm.
don't really your journey is not really straight up like that, where you're gonna keep having success every time, or even with your learning new skills. It's not gonna be like that. It's not that's not in reality,
Mm-hmm.
because in reality there are times where, in any business there's gonna be some challenges, um setbacks, right, in businesses, and wherein you need to learn new things, right? You need to learn new skills. In this digital business, this is actually our first time. Well, even though we have phones, you would think that, just owning a phone, you would think that you're already skilled enough to know how
Mm-hmm.
to run a business like this, digital business. But then actually, we figured that we're not there's a lot of skills that we actually need to learn from doing this kind of business. And so our learning curve was also pretty much most of the time like nasa baba nung when we were starting, right? And until now, see, where I'm so as far as like learning in this business, I'm starting to learn how to use TikTok. Mukhang late na yung ganun kasi as TikTok has been there for so long now. But I didn't have TikTok for the past several years or couple of years because I was in the military, and I don't want to be in trouble. So I don't want to open a TikTok. But now that I've been out in the military, and then plus, I just want to parang ang tawag nito palawakin yung kaalaman ko about the different platforms, social media platforms available out there. So I'm starting to learn TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Dati-dati, 'pag TikTok ang nasa isip ko lang basta manonood-nood ka lang. But this time, I have to learn how to create my own, our own videos as well. But how to effectively make postings, effectively put your content in TikTok. So right now, I'm like going this one again, and learning my learning curve. But what do you understand about this topic, Daddy? Kasi I mean that's how I see it. Mahirap yung topic for me because I'm like, what does this kind of mean? Learning curve.
Yeah, learning curve. For me, in layman's term, kagaya ko sa pagkaintindi ko lang dyan is parang typhoon din lang yan na may mga signals. Sometimes it's a low pressure area, low pressure, nagbabadya pa lang. You are there, learning slowly, and going up to signal number one, or you gain a little bit knowledge, parang alam mo na, and then pwede mo nang i-share sa mga business partners mo or future business partners mo or in life, yung mga natututunan mo sa buhay
Mm-hmm.
until you reach that yung pinakamataas na typhoon na eh. Yung magiging typhoon na siya, signal number 4 or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Then, kung na yan, alam mo na kung paano pa
Naging bihasa ka na, parang
naging
ganun.
bihasa ka na kung paano mo napag-aralan mo na mabuti for yung paano pag-run ng business. Kasi sa lahat ng bagay naman matututunan mo naman talaga lahat eh. It doesn't matter how slow, how fast you are, as long as you are learning. You are
Mm-hmm.
learning from those yung mga natututunan mo from the past, and
Learning from those
you gonna
challenges
apply it,
din. Mm-hmm.
yung mga challenges, 'di ba? Yung parang ganito rin, learning curve din yung mga taong nakakausap mo or na mga sabi nga namin magiging numb ang puso mo.
Oh, he's
Because
talking
there's
about
a lot of
yung so one of the things that you
heartaches.
will learn kasi in the
Mm.
business, in this business is learning to ano tawag ito, accept or
Accept
be
or
able to
be
overcome yung rejections, be able
yes.
to maging resilient sa mga
Mhm.
mga
Yeah,
challenges.
mga naysayers diyan. Lalo na yung mga
So
yan.
kasi yeah, that's one of our first I guess one of the first ones na learning na natutunan namin in this
Kasi parang
business was
boomerang din lang yan, eh. Once they 'pag nagbato yan boomerang, right? It goes back to you. 'Pag gano'n nga natutunan mo na yung business and you've been, may mga naysayers diyan, right? You overcome those naysayers when you started the business.
mm,
'Pag once nag-throw na naman yan ng mga gano'ng bagay ng mga naysayers, once it goes back to you yung boomerang na yan,
mm,
you will be standing up still. Hindi ka na yung parang ah, yung para bang maapektuhan.
mm.
Kasi natutunan mo na yung bagay na yun.
I
You
go
learned it,
I guess
everything.
going back again, visual learner kasi ako, but I'm just trying to look at it. So yung learning curve mo, well actually, ganun naman ang learning curve, di ba? So yun, yung sinasabi nga niya, we were able to learn how to be able to overcome or maging masanay na sa rejections.
Mhm.
So when we were starting, of course, we were just learning how to do it, trying to figure out how to respond to those people
Yes.
na mga nagda-doubt or
Yeah.
mga nagsasabi ng mga negative things
Mhm.
sa amin, hanggang sa also at the same time learning how to be able to yung bang ma-overcome mo yung
Yeah,
sama
hindi
ng
ka na
yung hindi ka kasi syempre nasasaktan ka rin, 'di ba?
at saka hindi ka na matatakot
Nasasaktan ka.
because you learned those
Yeah.
things already.
So yung learning curve eventually once you get to yung multiple times na lagi kang ini-expose mo yung sarili mo, laging
Mm.
na experience mo yung
Mhm.
rejection, nagiging yung learning mo doon or yung parang ang tawag nito, yeah, yung learning mo, and then yung nga sarili mo parang nagkikita mo na yung sarili mo, nag-i-improve ka na,
Mhm.
na instead na nadadala ka sa negativity nung
Mhm.
situation, you were able to incorporate actually positive mindset
Into
na
positive
make it
way.
look at it as a positive
Mhm.
thing, because nga again napag-discussan natin yung mga topic na
Hindi
yun
yung
last time.
ka rin to be a negative one.
Yes. So,
Right?
of course, yung pinag-usapan natin yung pagkakaroon ng positive mindset. Part of your learning yun eh. As once you already started using or incorporating positive mindset in your
Mhm.
life, you'll be able to overcome that. And so yun, ngayon move forward ka ngayon,
Mhm.
tataas na yung movement, yung curve mo. But then again, like I said, pag may na-overcome kang pagsubok kasi, God will allow another trial, another challenge in your life. But then this is part of our life kasi, this is part of our business too, 'di ba? You will learn another skill.
Mhm.
Kasi hindi lang naman isang bagay lang yung overcome mo in order to become successful right away. You will go through different things, and learn different things. And in dito rin, so kasi nabanggit ko yung patungkol sa new skill ng about sa TikTok. In our digital business, you will end up, so nag-start ka, you will starting to learn how to um, pretty much talk about, yun yan, na-i-share mo yung business.
Mhm.
Now, you become, eventually, matutunan mo kung paano mo i-guide yung naging lead mo,
Mhm.
yung taong nakausap mo, into getting them into the second step, how to communicate with them about that.
Mhm.
Tapos next, yung kunyari kung may business, yung nagkaroon ka ng business partner, how will you become a mentor to this business partner? How helping them to for onboarding. Yung mga yun, mga learning na skills that you have to learn in the business. And of course, yun nga, you start from parang dahil ito for me it's very new. Most of us it's pretty new for us. Um
Mhm.
to learn this or learn this skills. So we keep going back, 'di ba, sa bottom, then hanggang sa na-master natin, and then we go back again for a new skill. Parang ganun lang naman yung ganun yung intindi ko ha sa learning curve na to. If you guys are whoever's watching me us right now, if you have some feedback, any comments, just put your comments down there.
Mhm.
We'd love to hear your opinion about the
Yes.
topic. Mahirap
Hello.
para sa akin.
Hello,
Kaya ako
Divina
parang
Faran. Thank you for watching. Mirasol, thank you for
yeah.
watching.
Hi Sis Lay,
Hi, Ate Debbie,
Sis
sabi niya.
Gray.
Hello, beautiful couple.
Yes.
Hi, power couple. Thank you po.
Thank you
Hi.
po.
Hello, thank you. Hello, wonderful couple, sabi ni
Ano ba yung
Ay.
topic natin kahapon? Like kasi yung
And
topic natin was perseverance. Okay.
perseverance, yeah.
Kasi for sure, ito na naman for sure, itong week na to, there's gonna be connection on all of those topics natin. So,
Ito na lang yung in Christian life. Ito na naman.
okay.
A verse.
Let's,
Philippians 4:9. Wala dito,
wala
mami.
yung Philippians 4:9. O ano?
Yeah, Philippians 4:9. Sabi ng Panginoon, whatever learning or na na-achieve mo or receive or heard or seen in me, sabi niya ganun, put it into practice. Because the God of peace is with you. Kaya huwag kang matakot kasi nga lahat ng bagay na mga natutunan mo na noon, kaya mo na siyang harapin, yung mga fears na yan. Diba?
Ayun, yeah, tama.
Yeah.
Hindi, binabasa ko lang dito. Whatever you have learned or received or heard from me or seen in me, put it into practice, and the God of peace will be with you.
Kasi yun. Kaya ako ngayon, matapang ngayon. Hindi ako matapangan lang. Kasi alam ko, God is there to back us up.
Yeah.
God is there to always, when we stumble, God is there to catch us. And then, pag nahulog kami, God is there to lift us again.
Actually, let
Just
me
to
ask the question. Like when you
Hi,
are
Gail. Thank you for watching.
you are being challenged to learn a new skill, wherein it's very foreign, it's very new to you. What is your technique? What do you do when you are it is in front of you? What do you do in order to parang para magawa mo 'yun? Kasi sa akin, when I'm, when I'm having a hard time trying to understand, or when I'm exposed to something
Uy,
and I don't know what to do,
thank you,
I
Gail. Thank
I
you for
pray.
the tala.
I pray about it kasi nga talagang parang ano to, 'di ba aanuhin ko utak ko and everything pero wala, hindi ko nagagrasp. Then that's why I seek the Lord's wisdom. Um for those who are watching us right now, share your
Thoughts, your
techniques,
techniques, so
opinions.
that
How
we
do you do
could,
that so we can share it here and other people can actually also
malay
learn,
mo, yung
right?
mga na-encounter namin,
Yeah.
or yung mga na-encounter nyo, hindi pa namin na-encounter, at least we know what to do
Yeah.
if you give us
So,
some feedback.
yun nga yung sabi ko, I pray about it, but then also, again, for those who've been watching us the past days, we've been sharing also one of the my our favorite verse, which is actually one of our mantra, or that's what we shared as a mantra last time for our topic, and it was the Philippians 4:13, when it says, I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. So when I am, when I'm encountering something new, something that I'm like parang hindi ko sure, parang hindi ko alam kung paano ko gawin, I pray about it, and then I let God provide. I ask God for wisdom and let God to guide me, and then pero I motivate myself. No, you know, I can do this. I can do this, and God will give you magugulat ka na lang, you will get like, parang
Hindi,
magkakaroon ka ng mga
hindi lang strength
sudden
hindi lang
ideas.
strength yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. The wisdom, the knowledge, lahat yan, it will follow everything.
Yeah.
As long as you have the proper yung sa heart mo, yung desires mo.
Pero ito nga, yung topic was about embracing the learning curve. Kasi nga, knowing that in our journey in this business, it's not always gonna be up, up, up,
Yeah.
going up straight like that. it's a curve. Parang yun nga na parang roller coaster ride tayo nga.
Mhm.
Because we not only skills that we learn, but then things that like character, nabibuild yung character natin because we
Namo-mold,
are
yes.
exposed to like
It's
challenges.
molding us, yes.
Yes. So when you go through the parang yung plateau, or when you go to the downside of your curve, how do you face that? Yun yung I think yun yung parang gustong anuhin ng topic natin na to eh. So how do we embrace our learning curve? Some of the things na parang nakita namin and we just want to share it to you is I guess, actually learning or having perseverance. Practicing perseverance through difficulties. 'Di ba na topic namin yesterday was
Mhm.
about perseverance. And having that, practicing that will help you in your journey. So let me just read something here. It says here the learning journey is often full of challenges, but embracing the learning curve means being willing to persevere and celebrate small victories along the way.
Mhm.
Yun. Ang ganda nun. No? We talk about small wins too last time, di ba? Talagang
Yeah.
connect-connectado. Sabi ko nga, connect-connectado to. Para na tayong nagre-recap, ganun na.
Kaya
Pero,
nga kailangan mong embrace. Parang lahat ng mga natutunan mong mga bagay-bagay or heartaches or anything, you have to embrace it para ipamuhay mo.
actually, embracing means it's like acknowledging it and
Acknowledge mo lahat
parang
ng mga mistakes mo. You need to be
kasi dapat
acknowledge it.
acknowledge mo na it is part of your journey.
Mhm.
Kasi kung hindi mo na-realize yon
Kung yun
and you
naman,
keep fighting it back, you keep on parang
ang Panginoon,
para kang ano na,
it keeps
ayoko na,
giving it to
ayoko
you.
na, ayoko na, parang kasi nahirapan ka, ayoko na. Then you can't move on. You cannot you cannot move on or you cannot progress or proceed to your kwan.
Mhm.
Paano mo ma-achieve ang success, 'di ba? Because if you're not overcoming that obstacle, kasi that's gonna be like an obstacle for you. Another thing dito, sabi niya, practice self-compassion.
Mhm.
Sabi niya dito, embracing the learning
Learning
curve
curve.
means forgiving yourself for being
Being
human
human
and
and
practicing
practicing
self-compassion.
self-compassion.
Ay, kasi yung forgiving yourself kasi 'di ba sometimes we experience yung parang mistakes you made some mistakes and or yung decision mo
Mhm.
or paano ba parang may time kasi kung minsan na parang we blame ourselves for some pag parang we feel like we are parang kunyari dahil walang nangyayari. Kung minsan biniblame mo yung sarili mo na and then or you think about it as a failure na,
Mhm.
sabi niya dito, you have to learn how to forgive yourself. Kasi actually, it's just part of your learning process yan eh. May time talaga lang na parang nothing is happening. But what are we saying every time? When God is
Silent.
silent,
He is cooking something good.
yes, He's cooking something good. Hindi ibig sabihin na dahil lang ganyan parang walang nangyayari, parang wala na, tigil na. Hindi. In the first place, when we mentioned this one, if you prayed, and if you've dedicated your business, and we always encourage you, dedicate your business to the Lord. Because when you dedicate it, the more na God will make things, yung mga impossible things possible. Yung
Mhm.
mga vision mo, yung mga desire mo, yung intentions mo, yung success, yung gusto mong mangyari in the business,
Mhm.
God will give that to you. You just continue to delight yourself to Him. He will give it to you. So ngayon, kapag ganyan na parang nafe-feel mo na parang, yun nga, yung nasa plateau ka, and sometimes pag plateau ko, minsan ang enemy is very good at giving, spitting lies, mga ida-down ka niya, magsasabi siya ng mga negative things, so putting negative thoughts in your mind.
Mhm.
Um, wag kang padadala doon. Don't wag kang panghinaan,
Panghinaan.
panghinaan, panghinayangan or
Panghinaan ng loob.
panghinaan ng loob daw. Okay. Panghinaan ng loob. But also ayun nga na stop do not blame yourself. for when your learning curve goes down. It's just part of their journey eventually. And then yung nga sabi ko nga technique na ano namin pag pray mo, ask for God's wisdom, guidance, strength para you start going back up again and learn and overcome whatever challenge you're going through. Next one, sabi niya, seek to learn, not to win. It's not always about winning, but about learning. In the process of learning, you'll probably find that you win quite a bit more. That's true. Actually, kasi every time you gain knowledge, every time you're learning, every time you're overcoming a challenge, you learn something new, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's always a win. That's always a win. Kaya nga, actually, yan yung maganda. That's the reason why sometimes God allows challenges to happen to us so that we will learn and we will win and we will anong sinasabi mo?
Yeah, bakit?
Nadi-distract naman ako. Anong gusto mo sabihin? May
Wala
sasabihin
lang
ka?
naman.
Ayan,
I'm
yun
just
nga.
agreeing, yes.
Yeah, and then ganun na lang parang ano yun nga small wins mo yun and then eventually magiging big wins, 'di ba? Pag laging ganun na lang lagi
Yes,
hanggang sa
yes, yes,
nade-develop yung
yes.
actually yung heart ng isang winner ba? 'Di ba
Mhm.
a winner actually even pa na before pa ma-achieve ng isang winner yung kung ano mang win niya, goal niya, whatever, he or she is already have a win, yung parang yung mindset niya, he's already a winner.
Kaya nga sabi nga,
Nasa parang ano tayo, parang ano yung term dyan? Kasi ipinamuhay niya na he's a
mm,
winner. So, being confident, having that winner mindset already is actually
parang
gonna make
sinasabi lang
him
din
win
ng
kasi
Panginoon na kuwan, you have to lose first in order to win.
hmm,
Kasi 'pag na-lose ka na, right? And
actually
then the next time you kuwan na dumating ulit 'yun, eventually alam mo na gagawin mo in order for you to win.
no.
Kaya sabi ng Panginoon din, you have to surrender everything in order to gain.
Oh.
You have to let it go
Let
first,
go.
or you have to let it go and surrender everything so that you have to gain more.
Mm.
Mm.
Mhm. Naano ako 'no. Ayun. So, tama ayun na-gets mo yung idea, yung
Mm.
sinasabi ko na a winner, already parang may mindset na siyang winner na siya. Kaya nga
Mhm.
parang ano rin, parang, kasi kung a loser's mind, right, laging puro negative ang isip niya,
Yes.
kaya hindi siya motivated to win. Pero
Mm.
'pag yung may winning mindset ka na, you're just gonna keep going and make sure that you ano lagi.
Mhm.
And then even if let's say pa nga kahit parang makaka-experience pa ng setbacks or mga challenges yung taong may winner mindset, okay lang. Sabi niya, I'll win the next time."
But
Ganun lagi yung mindset
but
niya.
then again, if you keep on winning, yung may mentality ka of winning, you need to put yourself humble.
Ah,
Humbleness pa rin.
that's true.
Mm.
Yeah. Hindi, pero nga yung kasi naman din is, yung taong yun kasi nagkaroon din naman na it went that person went through challenges before
Mhm.
niya na-develop yun. But yes, that's true too because it's not always happening like that na kung minsan nakakalimutan ng tao na maging humble lalo na pag na nilang
Yeah,
nararanasan
kung
ang success sa life or laging na lang parang
para
nasa taas sila, nakakalimutan
para
nilang
hindi
maging
ka nila
humble.
sabihing from humble magiging hambog, 'di ba? Hambog ka.
Ayun, okay. Ayun pa, sabi niya, to embrace learning curve, you have to be willing to fail.
Yun na
Don't
yung
be
parang
afraid to
sinasabi natin.
fail and be willing to learn. Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
yun nga.
Because when you fail, you are learning already. Ano
Yes.
yung mistakes na ginawa ko? Why did I lose?
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Kasi nga, every time that you fail, it's just an opportunity again for you to learn something new.
Mhm.
Diba? And then another thing is surround yourself with the right people. Being surrounded by people who want the
Oh,
best
chuchi,
for
chuchi.
you can help you on your learning journey.
Mhm.
Yes. Definitely right people, positive
Oh, dito ako.
people, yung mga positive people para kasi kung surrounded ka ng mga negative thinkers, nako,
Mhm.
mahirapan kang or baka titigil ka. So surround yourself with the right people, with the right parang sa community natin, because we have almost the same we have the uh almost the same goal, right? So surround yourself with them kasi they can understand, they can resonate with you. Plus at the same time, they our community, especially our community, we just want to keep encouraging each other. So surround yourself with those when you are going through setbacks in our business. Magbabad ka, sabi nga nila sa mga mastermind, manood ka ng mastermind. Ito, now that we're doing all this go lives, listen to those our business partners who are doing go lives. May encourage ka for sure.
Yun nga yung sa may napakinggan ako sa mastermind. Ang ganda ng pagkasabi niya eh.
Mm.
Yung isang parang parang inspiring din yung pagkasabi niya. Sabi niya is yung one technique na sinabi niya, I've been checking yung mga successful ones,
Successful stories.
successful stories, kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga yon, para she will put it into practice.
Mm.
Pero alam mo ang natutunan niya with that one, para to gain more knowledge, sabi niya, I need to begin to myself.
Practice it to yourself.
Practice it to yourself kasi ikaw mas alam mo yung ginagawa mo sa sarili mo, rather than you keep on maganda rin naman yung ganun, yung
Hindi lang wag
pag-inspire
lang
mo.
listen, wag lang
Mhm.
but start practicing also in or applying it to yourself, parang
Self,
gano'n.
yeah. Kasi mamaya, malay mo, ikaw pala, mas marami kang idea na mapuput-in. Yung ganun yung pagsasabi. Hola, nakahabol daw
Ayun,
siya.
how Ate Jao? Hello, mentor.
Nakahabol daw
Good
siya.
afternoon. Ayun.
Mhm.
So anyway, I think sa akin talaga mahinap yung topic. Kaya nahirapan ako ng konti.
As much as
But
possible.
hopefully, we were able to at least provide you some insight.
Mhm.
Good insight. Like I said, kung may comment kayo, meron kayong share na opinion about this topic, share it in the comment section. We'd love to hear it. For those who will watch our replay, yes, please,
Yes. And
s-
pwede mi sigurong isingit to for
for
tomorrow
tomorrow, yeah.
before we
Totoo,
started
totoo.
yung topic. Yes.
Yeah.
Again, kung ikaw yung nanonood dyan at pagod ka na sa pamumuhay ng paulit-ulit na lang na cycle, or mga stay home dad dyan, stay home moms dyan na paulit-ulit na lang na cycle, you have to break that chain, break that cycle, at pumunta ka na sa website namin at www.genosop.com para makita mo yung info session na free na video na mapapanood mo, and put your name and email there and click register.
Yes. So actually, because we just, we're doing this live because we want to share this good opportunity to everyone, right? Especially we want to help you because actually we want to, because we want to share our blessings as well, because this business had blessed us a lot, and so because for those who are not part of our business yet, there's a lot of benefits from this business, and one of it is the time freedom. Though we have not fully gotten the time freedom yet, but we're slowly getting there. As you can see, I have a baby out here. We have a baby here, and I'm still on my maternity leave. But through this business, we have enough supplemental income that I can passive income that I can actually extend my maternity leave.
Yes.
That's one of the benefits of this business. Plus, and there's a lot more. But in order for you to know if this
business
business
for you.
is or it will be a solution for you,
Mhm.
check out our website, so that you can get to see the free webinar that my husband was talking about. It's
Click that start button in your life.
yes,
You need to
because
start.
actually like what he was saying, if you are tired of the cycle in your life, for those who are working parent like myself, and we are just living paycheck to paycheck, or you're just too tired of working,
Mm-hmm.
but then at the same time and you're bound with your employer, right? Being an employee, you don't have real time freedom,
Tama, tama.
so if you want to get out of that situation and be able to eventually own your time, then maybe having a business like ours is the solution
Mm-hmm.
for it. Plus, because that thing will change in your life if you don't change it, if you don't make a change. So our challenge to you, or we inviting you
Mm-hmm.
to come join us in this digital business. But of
Yes.
course,
Pray
yeah,
and take that leap of faith
take that leap of faith.
and
Yes,
click that start button.
yes, because you wouldn't know if it's the right fit for you if you're not gonna even do the
Yes.
first step, which is to check it out
Yes.
first. Check it out.
Check that
Do
free
your do
taste.
your due diligence uh
Due
to
diligence.
study, research, or investigate how this business works. We're gonna, when you get to our step 2, you'll get to learn everything about our business. We're not hiding anything. You're gonna
Yes,
learn
you will
everything.
see the blueprint of our
Yes,
business, our beautiful digital
business. Yes, all
business.
the benefits, how you earn, and how the automation system that
Mm-hmm.
this business is
That the
offering.
only you, the
Ayaw mo pa
only
yon, automation system.
kami
It
lang ang meron nun, and it is patented. Nobody could yung
commission, yung
commission.
compensation, yeah.
Yes.
But
Walang
for the
makakagaya.
in our busy life here in the US, or maybe you wherever you may be, life is so busy, but you can still have a business like ours because of the automation system. So you should grab that opportunity. Start a business now because it can be your plan B,
This can be
because
yours for your
or side
kids.
hustle right now, like
For
for
your
us.
kids. Do it
For
for your
us,
kids. For yourself. Do it for yourself.
yes, we started this business as a side hustle, but then I got pregnant, and now, and having this, having our kid, it is our plan B,
Kaya nga, wake
right?
up na dyan. Buhay,
So
buhay,
cuz
buhay.
life happens. You don't know when emergency can come in your life,
Mm-hmm.
and being prepared is better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Than not having any options there.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi it's so sad when you have an emergency or something happen in your family, in your life, and you need to be out of your job. You need to take some time off, but you cannot do it, or it affects your financial status if you do take your if you get out of, or maybe possibly losing your job. It's so sad if you don't have something to lean on to, or if you don't have options. So
Yes.
it's nice to think about. It's good to think about having a plan B. And this business is definitely a good plan B for you.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of families already being
Change.
changed. Life change,
Mm-hmm.
or successful people, and in any walks of life. Not only those people who are in, like for me, who's a nurse. No, there's a lot of our business partners out here who are actually also even retired, and those who
Yes,
um
because our business is home-based
my
business.
husband, like a stay-at-home dad, right?
Yes.
Anyone can join this business.
Or wherever
Anyone
you
can do
go,
it.
you could still do your business. Or whatever you're doing, you could still do your business because it's very flexible.
Yes, because of the flexibility. Plus, look at it. Look at your. It is the trend now. People are just so dependent with technology now.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is mostly online. So if you are going to think about having a plan B, a business, whatever, having a digital version, being part of a digital business is the best option right now,
Mm-hmm.
because that's where we're heading. So anyway, too
Yeah,
much of
again,
that, no? Just
again.
we're
This is
inviting you.
Ken,
Just check it. And I am Zap,
and we are proud
digital
digital business
business
owners
owners.
and owners of that website
We are the owner of www.genazap.com.
www.genazap.com.
Check it out. Check it out.
Yes, that's why. Why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya
Join
join
us.
us.
Yes, it is
Join
true.
us,
Why we're
yes.
saying it? Because we are experiencing that less stress,
Yes.
definitely less stress for us.
Less
And
stress
we're
for
having
me.
fun.
Yeah, we're having
Yes.
fun. We have more joy.
Yes. And so again, it's gonna be another day of exciting topic for
For tomorrow,
tomorrow.
yeah, thank you
We
for
invite
being
you
with
to
us.
we invite you to
We
continuously
pray for
support us.
you,
Yes.
and we pray for your blessings too. And that's it for now. God bless.
That's it
God
for now.
bless.
Yes. God
God
bless. Enjoy your
bless.
weekend.
Enjoy your
See you
weekend. See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
God bless. Bye bye.
Bye.